Hello YouTube. Hello YouTube. This is my new contraption for slicing up firewood. I have a pile of these small branches that I want to burn, but they're quite hard to cut. They're too thick for the circular saw. With a hacksaw it will take forever and will rattle my wrists out, and with the chainsaw it's a bit hard because they're light and chainsaw pulls them, so you actually need two people, one to hold and one to cut. So, and it's a bit dangerous. You end up standing in all these inconvenient positions trying to cut it. So I thought, what if I can make a drop chainsaw? So similar to regular drop saw, just with the chainsaw. So I can cut the stuff quickly. And I did. So very simple thing. A simple frame. This is my spacer. This is about, let me zoom out. Yeah, so this part is about 1 foot. This is the width of my chimney, so all firewood goes in nice and evenly sliced. And just a frame. I pin it to that plastic desk. These are counterweights, and that's it. This is a bit of a holder, so when the chain pulls, let's take something. When the chain will pull it backward, it will hold, and that's it. And I push it forward against the stop. It's all done. Originally I thought making kind of a trench here so the wood would lie there to prevent it from back kicking. But on the other hand, I have so much leverage when I'm holding it from here that there is no need, and the wood is all you know, crooked and bent and has knobs and other stuff. So here it is. So this is my Ego chainsaw. So it's battery powered, 18-inch. It has a ready-made hose in the bar, so I simply utilize one of them, bolt it in a piece of hardwood, put a threaded insert in so I can remove it with the key, put some spacers here. Literally all this project is just a quick scraps I found in my garage. So, you know, whatever you do, it won't touch the wood. Even if you lift it up all the way high, it doesn't touch the wood. The only thing that touches the wood is the oil. It's plenty of it here. Oh, that's fine. I use steel bio oil, so it's biodegradable and vegetable made. Yeah, the only thing I want to improve is to put another stop here, so by accident I won't cut over the wood, but that has to be quite extreme situation. Anyhow, the nice part, the wood is all quickly piling up, and if you have a couple of others that keeps bringing you the wood, you can really go through all this pile in a matter of, I don't know, half an hour. And cool, so let's cut more wood. You see, I got this piece of pine. Regularly, it's very light, I can hold it with my hand. So regularly, it would be quite challenging to cut with the chainsaw. You know, it would all bounce around, and you'll have to pinch it against the ground, and then you can touch the ground with your chain and dull it. So much easier doing it this way. Here we go. Just place it somewhere. Got a new chain, so it's like butter. Oh, need to be careful. Always butt it against the backside. Nice workout for shoulders. This thing is notably heavy. Let's take something more challenging, shall we? This is a bit on the edge. This thing is so... that's already big.